Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Tuesday, July 29th, and this is my analysis for the US dollar Swiss, and I'm on the 1 hour time frame. So the US dollar Swiss did take out the previous highs and it did reject it. Now, the most recent structure is right here, so even though it is going down, I still would be looking for longs. It actually kind of looks like a 1, 2, 3, so we could just be in like a wave 4 or just a pullback to the higher time frame uptrend. So if it goes out and breaks this low right here with momentum, then after the break of structure, I would definitely start looking for shorts. Otherwise, I would be looking at this move down as possibly just being another pullback within an uptrend like a wave 4, or possibly just a subdivision of a bigger move up. If we go up to like the 4 hour time frame, I think that this is still an ABC correction, but I think it potentially could go up a little more, maybe end up looking something like this and then reversing to the downside maybe later on this week. We do have a lot of dollar news coming out this week, so we could get a big reversal to the downside on Wednesday at FOMC. So, anyways, don't forget to check out my website, fxpipcollector.com, and as always, thank you for watching and happy trading.